Good morning, everybody on YouTube and X and Facebook Live. Good morning to everybody. But where are we? I don't even know where we're at. Oh, setting up our YouTube channel. Let's see. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope you are all off to a wonderful morning. Finance, scam, and scam. We got to get rid of those. Okay. Analytics, content. Live. Guess we could put the date and the name here. What is today's date, peeps? The 25th. Ooh, we're right there at the limit. All right, let's go down here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. There we go. No longer we live streaming from St. Thomas back to outside of Atlanta. All right, now let's go over to here. Yay. Good morning, Persistent. Good morning, J. Tyler Ray. Good morning, Harry. Good morning, Jared. Good morning, peeps. Let's make sure we got our messages. Good morning, Joe. Jared, are you on both TikTok and YouTube? Thank you, sir. Good morning, Michelle Glowinski and Fat Albert. What's up, Michelle? Good morning, good morning, good morning. I think I have my... Yep, there we go. We have my camera working a little bit. What's up, beeps? I don't like it, though, but we'll get to it sooner or later. Blessed morning to you, Orlando Walters. Good morning to everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Thanks to my buying frenzy yesterday, I only have one trade open. Pisses me off. One trade open. My gold trade from 113. I have to check GBB thing, but that was the one that was so fucking good. I closed it by accident when I was closing my gold trades down, my NAS trades down yesterday. I closed accidentally the GBB trade. My big gold trade's still open though. Yay. Good morning, Amos. Blessed morning to you too. 2 blessings. Good. Myself and Bree and Keith, we can all use as many blessings you can give us. And we give them right back to you, old school and Aussie trader. Thank you, Larry, for liking the video on Facebook. All right. What else we got going on, peeps? Going on, peeps. Let's make some calls, shall we? Looks like NAS has just gone straight up. Big shocker there. That's what I called. But let's see if we can find something for us. Ooh, buy stop to the 1 hour blue line SPX. Buy stop to the 1 hour blue line SPX. NAS buy stop to the third. Oh, yeah. This will be done today. I want it to dip first before open, but this is definite buys to the blue line. NAS and SPX. Take profit 1 for NAS. We hit all take profits yesterday, by the way. 20,230. Take profit 1. Take profit 2 for NAS. All take profits were hit yesterday. 20,254 for NAS. Let's go over to SPX. My computer's running slow as molasses. Got to get that black hat, baby. Yeah, I got to update all ours. Buy stop SPX to the 1 hour blue line. That NAS to the 30-minute blue line is golden, matter of factly. Give me just a second here. We're going to set a little something up, aren't we? I feel it. I feel it. All right. Now, where was I? Buy stop SPX to the 1 hour blue line. Love this trade. Not as much as I love NAS. NAS is a little bit cleaner, but this is still extremely good. What's up, Bob? 5,800. Take profit 1 for SPX. We'll be hearing these ding off probably later this morning, actually. Remember I told you yesterday when you guys hear the dingings? Doop, 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 doop.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
This is the tricky one. If US 30 is above its 30-minute blue line, you got to take that NAS trade. Let's see. We play US 30 NAS. Yep, it is. NAS to the 30-minute blue line, the highest buy recommendation I can give you. I already gave you the take profits. This is a buy on NAS. Take any buy stop you can on NAS, period. Without, oh, precious. Precious. Hold on one second, guys. Precious. What? What are we doing? What was that? Delete that sucking thing. Hold on. Yes, delete this thing. Take profit 1, already called for US 30. Take profit 2, 42,727. I might not have called it, but I don't care. This is an extreme take, and it should dip before 9:30. We'll play that dip, but right now we're looking for buys to the 30-minute blue line for NAS, and then buy stops to the US 30 and SPX 1 hours. So yeah, let's take a real close look at NAS really quick. I want to see what we can get here. NAS is the best of these. We're going to go ahead and wait. Let's see if we're going to go below the 1 second. Nope. 5-second buy stop. You're going to see the pink cross. This is going to turn back to green. You're going to see this go above the orange and above this. We need the blue. So once the blue turns up, you'll see this hook. There you go. See it shoot right up like that? You're in the money on your NAS buy. You're in the money on the NAS buy that I just called out. You're in the money. I know you're in the money because I just took that trade. I'm in the money. So we're going to the NAS 30-minute blue line. Let's see where we're at. Told you, told you, told you. This is a perfect trade. This is all about the money. Just trust me on this. This is a nice, beautiful trade. Hope you all are making some money like I am this morning already. I'm just going to keep throwing in alerts. Take any buy stop, 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second buy stop until NAS hits its 30-minute blue line. I'm telling you, I would prefer it to dip first, but if we don't get the dip, then just take it. This is awesome. What an opportunity you have. I like the pullback to come down to here for NAS, 20,171. If we get that pullback, you're going to see me open up about 30 NAS. Okay, let's not exaggerate. About 10 NAS trades. Good morning, Larry Cooper. God bless. Good morning, Babu. We had 3 blessings this morning. Oh, good morning, Lachey. Miss Lachey. God bless you, Lachey. Good morning, Amos. Good morning, Orlando Walters and Jared again, and Amos, an Aussie trader, and Larry Cooper, an old school Mick, and Lachey and Taraya Edwards. Oh, God. Yay, precious. Good morning, everybody. All right. Good morning, Sally. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. We're looking for a pullback on NAS, and then we're jumping in with 10 feet. So let me see where we're at. No, someone pay attention to NAS and let me know if it goes below 1 second, please. Definitely let me know if it goes below the 5 second, please, because we can all jump in and get some money on this one. Good morning, dude. What's up, dude? What's up, Michael? Good morning, Michael. Welcome back, dude. All right, so we're waiting for a little pullback on NAS, and then we're going to smash into this thing. I hope they pull it back all the way to open, right before open at 9:30, 9:28, and then we're just going to, just like we did yesterday, I'll just wait for it to dip down. We'll jump back in. I forgot how much I was making. That was a shit ton yesterday. Account history. NAS, let's see, when was yesterday? 324, right? Where the hell are all my 324s? Oh, there they are. 198, 1,148, minus 4. How the hell was our minus? 1,648, 2,498, 2,673, 1,361, and 162 were all my trades from yesterday. Interesting that I had negative in there. What the fuck was that? Anywho, take any buy you can find. Morning, Martar. Morning, Sally again, and Crystal Armis and Bob. Bob, good morning, Dude again, and Michael. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on Facebook. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Good morning, everybody on Twitch. Good morning to everybody on X. We're looking for a pullback on the 1 second, 5 second, maybe even the 10, 15 second. I don't know. It'll be great, though, if they drop it nice and low, because we're looking for this NAS to the 30-minute blue line. Be patient for that trade, but you'll see it happen. Telling you now. Yeah, baby. All right, where are we at? About 37, about 47, about 60 people. Well, that's pretty good for this morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Where are we at, though, on my other thing? Oh, there it is. Okay. We'll go ahead and do a little prayer here in a minute. I got like 4 hours of sleep. I am so fucking tired. All right. Hey, fam, let's hit the like button for Kevin. Thank you, Sally. All right, where are we at with everything? That NAS. Yeah, we're waiting on NAS. So please, someone out, sevens, if someone will follow the NAS 1 second, especially that 1 second, 5 second, please let me know when NAS is going to flip, and I'll get off my NAS kick for a minute. If someone will promise me they'll follow that NAS. Hey, I wonder if I can copy this because they closed me down last time. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can copy this real quick. Let's rename it to 325.25. Enter. Keith kills me. He hates me when I do this. I do so many backups of everything. It's funny. This is make a copy, I think. What's up, Crash? Good morning, Crash. I don't know about Fearless. No, we thank you, sir. Thank you, Michelle Glowinski. Thank you, Michelle. So let's do this. And it should open me up one over here. And what I'm going to do is make this not match so I can go ahead and leave. I'm going to leave NAS open over here on the left. Shit. Well, the best I can anyways. Let's make, yeah, that's what we'll do. This is exactly what I'll do. But the problem comes in, I won't be able to have my, well, that's okay. I'll figure that out. All right, let me go back over here now. Where is this thing? TradingView is weird how they got things set up, but whatever. They make millions of dollars a month. I do not. Well, we're pretty close. Symbol, we need to switch that to off. All right. So in this particular version, I'm going to leave NAS there, but now I can switch around and go to ES30. So Michelle, if you can let me know, because I'll be bipping around. You know me, I talk too much and get going. All right. All right, here we go. Thank you, Aussie Trader and Martar. Michelle Golinsky, appreciate you. Now, I guess we could say our prayer. Let me get that set up so we can go over to there. We need to go over to our photos, to my favorites. If you saw how I saved the prayer, you'd laugh your ass off. I got the most beautiful wife on earth. All right, Father, I pray in Jesus' name that you heal each and every one of us listening. We all need health. Without health, there ain't no wealth, peeps. So please, God, heal us in every way possible, especially Bree and Keith and myself and all of our loved ones. Heal us mentally, emotionally, spiritually, in every way we need to be healed so that we have a healthy, happy, and loving relationship with our loved ones, especially our spouses and each other. And we thank you so much for helping heal us right now. I ask your blessing upon each and every one of our listeners. Blue line's hit. Thank you. I'll get to that in a second. I just looked up. Sorry about that, God. I ask your blessing upon each and one of my listeners that are listening right now, and for the thousands that will eventually listen to this podcast. Please open up their ears and every other part of their body and soul so that they can hear and understand what I'm about to teach them. Let them learn this system. Let them get this system. They can trade consistently and make profits consistently for themselves. Please give me the wisdom and the knowledge and the humility and the brevity to be able to talk to everyone that's listening to my show right now, all my little peeps, and let them be helped financially through trading so that they can bless others while we're here on earth. Let us become a force for good. Please, God, let us do your will while we're here on earth. Forgive us our sins and take us to heaven in spite of them. We love you and thank you for everything. Amen. All right, we have the 1 second flip, I was told. So let's go back over to NAS. Let's go over to here. Thank you, whoever told me that. Martar. Thank you. What's up, John Parker? Just said a blessing for you, my brother. Let's go over to the 1 second. Man, my computer's running slow. What the fudge? Sell stop. Sell stop to the 1 second blue line again. I will never play these cells, but what we want to do, pink's going to come down. It's going to cross. We want to make sure when we 5 second. Let me see 5 second. It is 1 second sell to the blue line, NAS. This is what you want. We want this to go down. We want the 5 second be hit. We want all this to come down. So now that we had the 1 second hit, we need a bigger push down than that though. But yeah, keep me informed for that 1 second, 5 second. We'll start jumping in again and we'll start making some money. Yep. Ain't no way we're not making money. I'm gonna set up a couple more. That's much appreciated. Thank you, John, and for you and Matt and all your families too. 30 second buy stop on NAS. See, this is what you want to do. Watch. Come over, see this 30. Thank you, Bob. You want this 30 second buy stop on NAS. Take profit 1. Well, we've already listed all kinds of fucking take profits in here. You're going to be hearing a lot of dings going off here lately. Here we go. If my computer will stay running. 20,216. What's up, Mike? Good morning, my brother. Me and Mike went over to Outback yesterday, had a blast. Get out of here. All right. Hey, Mike, what does your brother look like on this silly old video? I swear to God, I said I'd never do this again, but I'm going to go ahead and try one more time. Well, I don't have. I have my little hat on. Which, oh shit! I never updated the YouTube store yesterday. I got to do that, and I got to buy some more shit too. I hate being on the lies, but I figure, what the fuck? Let everybody see it. Whatever they want to laugh at. By the way, this is a strong buy, strongest recommendation buy for the 30-second buy stop to the 30-minute blue line on NAS, just so we're clear. Yeah, baby. I'm sure me and Mike are going to be going out later. Let's hit up Starbucks has that great passion fruit tea, cold tea. It's fantastic. Any rate, does anybody have any questions, concerns, or comments? Please let me know. Welcome everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, and X. What's up, Barani? Fresh from vacation. Yeah, I fucking running on 4 hours of sleep too, Barani. How's that feel? You're like, no sleep, but that's all right. Morning, Annie Apple. What's up, Miss Annie? Anybody have any questions, concerns, or comments? Please ask now. We're waiting for this buy on 30-second buy on NAS to kick off to the 30-minute buy. It looks like we're going to be hitting. Why do I have my volume down or something? Why am I not hearing anything yet? Hold on. Nope, volume's up. That's weird. We should be hearing some clicks. Take profit one is hit. Take profit one on the 30-second buy stop is hit. That is this orange line right here. That's that thing. Oh, I got to switch back over. See, this is why I don't put myself on here. Let's see. Maybe we can do that shit, but I don't want me bigger. Hold on a second. Maybe I can make myself small somewhere. Let's see. This one. Yeah, that'll work. Good morning, Kevin. Everyone, good to see you on live. What's up, Mission Crowny? Yeah, it was a fucking blast. What you're looking at right here is take profit one is this orange line. Take profit two will be right above that, right there. So take profit one is hit. On NAS, we're waiting patiently for it to fall, and then we're going to hop back in again. Huge, actually. I opened up like 6 or 7 trades. I do. Everyone wins the bingo, Boppo Bango shirts come. I know, right? Fuck. I got to do that too. I got to do, hold on. I got to call this stupid ass place. Keep getting mail to the wrong house. Oh, here, let me take this off of there. No, not maximize. Fuck. I meant to hit minimize. Stop. There we go. All right. So we need to update YouTube store to black logo and buy stuff. I got to get all kinds of stuff from the store. And then we need to get Fiverr to make a Bingo Boppo shirt. Bingo Boppo Banger shirt. And then we need to call the horsey place. And then I think that's it. So much better. Good morning, peeps. Remember,
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Do do do. That's a handsome lad right there. A lad. I've been called a lad forever. Thanks, Crash. J. Parker. Solace. What's up, Solace? Good morning to you, Sal. You can just call me Kevin or Mr. Gregor. That's my dad, and he's dead. But what's up, Kevin Alderman? What's up, Kev? What's up, Larry Cooper? Michelle Glowinski. Sound far away. Really, my sound sounds bad? No shit. How's my sound this morning, peeps? Is it a 7 for good or a 9 for bad? Damn, that sucks. Hold on. Maybe I have to turn that a little bit more. Sorry about that. My Robinhood options. Yeah, good luck on that. Here's my horsey thing. All right, I'll take care of all that. 7, says Michelle Golinsky. What the hell's wrong with Mike then? Larry Cooper says 7. Thanks, Michelle. Thanks, Mike. Thanks, Larry. Well, good. I don't know. My brother. Buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stop. 30-second buy again. I love this buy. Love, love, love this buy. Take profit 1 on NAS. 20,214. I really, really want NAS to drop, though we need it to kind of drop down to the 10, 15-second line or more. But hey, put in your orders, buy stops, and then take profit when that thing shoots the fuck up because it's going to go up. I'm way more safe with trading than most people. Sounds good. 7-7 sounds good. Okay, cool. Anybody have any questions other than the shirt questions? Did I leave up? Is this my thing? Yes. This is my store. I don't even know how the fuck you get here, but I'm changing the logo from the white to the black so we can get the black hat. I have the white hat. I don't know where it is. I don't know where it is. Look at all this shit. Women, there is so much stuff for sale. Look at this. Yeah, I'm changing the logo to black. Maybe I can upload it right now. I'll be getting tank tops, t-shirts. I have some tank tops. Look, there's 3 pages of this shit. I think there's like 108 products here. Anywho, love it. Love it. A little crop. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have to get that for Precious. A little crop top. Oh my gosh. A crop t-shirt. Who the fuck knew we had that? Has some sweats. That's funny. It's kind of cheap, actually. These are not women clothes. These are, what the hell is this? That's a dude. Well, whatever. Yeah, most of that's women. And then the men, organic products. What the hell is an organic product? Or an organic t-shirt. Oh, okay, okay. How cute is this? I don't even know. I haven't looked at the store in 20 years. Buy stop, 30-second. I need to upload the black logo. Oh, let me see. Hell, I don't know how to even get it. It used to be on my YouTube. Uh-oh. Take profit. Hit. Take profit 1 is hit. Listen, peeps. Take profit 1 is hit. Yeah, baby. There you go. That is now. We're crossing 20,214. Take profit 1 is hit. What's up, Joe Grunder? What's up, Joe Bigga? I don't know, Joe Grunder, what you're asking. Joe Grunder Jr. You said at Kevin, but you have no question there. How are the new projects coming along? Safe to trade crypto and the prop firm. How are they coming along? Yeah, the crypto is going to be done within a month. The prop firm is coming along. Yay! First take profit hit of the morning. Nice. Again. And fun by yeah, Precious. How cute. Aw, little precious. Little precious, little precious, little precious. Da 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 da. The prop firm is still, it's gonna be a long time. We've had delays in certain things. We're getting an app created for Bree for CRM. It looks like it's kind of done now, thanks to the great Keith Palmer, but still working on that. Um, yeah, it's gonna be a minute for that. I would say still a solid 6 months before the prop trading firm one is done, in my opinion. It's coming. It's just not anywhere near being done. No. Now, crypto edition, yes, crypto edition is be coming soon. I say within the month we'll have crypto going. You're in profit again on this buy stop right here. You can close that down if you like or keep it open. We're waiting for a 30-second buy to engage to the 30-minute blue line of NAS. Love this trade. Love this trade. Is it okay to share why you want the dip to the 10-second or 15-second NAS? Share. I share everything. Nothing's hidden here. Why? Because we have a better entry. Every time they dip it down, it goes against, where is this? It goes against right here. So every time they dip this down, the weekly, daily, in this case, the 30-minute, we're waiting for all these lower, the 1 second, 5 second to go against the grain so that we can get a better push up so we can make more money. That's why. We haven't, I don't think we had the overnight reversal yet. So that also very much concerns me. If there's, is there any news this morning at 8:30? Please say there's no news. But that's why. Take profit is hit again. Take profit is hit again. Take profit one is hit. Take profit one is hit. You can close down the trade if you so desire or not. That's up to you. Feel free to keep your trades open. Look at that go. Beautiful little trade this morning. You've already made profit 3 times. You can take profit out. You're not looking for a lot right here. I'm going to hold, I'm holding several open actually, but I want this dip to happen and then I'm going to come in huge on this. We need this blue line to go through. US consumer confidence is out today at 10 a.m. Yeah, who the fuck cares? So we're only looking at maybe, what is this, about a 2-3 pip movement. It's all you need. You're up $200-$300, depending on your lot size, $20-$30. No news, and we had the overnight. Oh, we did have the overnight reversal. Thanks, Harry. What time was the overnight reversal? Good morning, Mike Glowinski. What's up, Glow? We did take profit. Take profit two is hit. Take profit two is hit. Hey, listen, there you go. There you go. Pete. Listen, you hear that? Damn, baby. Take profit two. Take profit three is hit. Take profit three is hit. I'm closing down the one. Take profit one and two is hit. You can close down any trades. Take that money and run. Take that money and run. Take that. Now, who called it? Who called this live 4 hours ago? About 5 a.m. at reverse. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Harry. You guys are the best. Look at this shit. Take that money and run, honey. Take that money and run. We're up on 3 NAS trades. Nice. Boom, baby. Woo! Nice shit right there. Some nice shit right there. Some nice shit right there. We ain't done though. We're heading to that 30-minute blue line. I keep telling you what to do. Take those demo trade only. I'm not a financial
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
But yeah, baby. Oh, look at that shit. Did it kiss it? Did it kiss the 30-minute? Ho, ho, ho. We might have had a 30-minute touch. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Not close enough. No, 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 no. 20,233 is the next take profit. Come on now. Take a hit, hit, hit. Look at it go, everybody. Look at it go, everybody. There you go. There's my 2 trades. I'm closing down this one, pop, taking that money. Look at that go. These are the trades just from a second ago. There you go. 15.19 to now. There's my trades. Yes. Woo! Told you what to do, but don't listen to me because I'm not a financial advisor. Sweet lady, exaggerate amount of profanity. Oh, sweet lady, complained about that the other day. You can stay or you can go. You don't have to be on or say anything negative. You say anything negative again, I'm putting you in timeout. Woo! Look at this go. Nice. Nice. Look at this go. Who called it out? Sevens if you guys are making money with me. Demo money only. Freaking awesome. Oh, sorry. Oh, take profit, hit again. Take profit, hit again. SPX is crossing. Hold on. SPX. SPX. Matter of fact, sweet lady, if you don't like, me being here, then please leave. I'm not here to make friends with you. Look at that. Look at SPX going up. Woo, baby. Everyone's making money. Yeah, baby. Let me go over to YouTube here. Let me go over to the video. Naz in the money. Naz in the money. Naz in the money, honey. Woo! Naz in the money. Oh, shoot. I'm losing all my what the fudge? Fuck. Hold on. Hold your horses. What do you mean site can't be reached? What are they talking about? Oh, no. What are they talking about? Site can't be reached. Congratulations, everybody. We might be having difficulties here. Of course, I do have a shit ton opened. Everybody still here? What the Nas crossing again. What? Oh, nice. Look at the profit on Nas. Look at the profit. That's why you always leave one running. Leave it running. Leave it run. $3,000 this morning on a trade. Already closed down the earlier ones. 3,100, 3,200. Woo! Way to go. Way to go. Nice. Am I still live? Touchdown, touchdown. We have touchdown to the 30-minute blue line. Told you. Told you exactly where touchdown. I'm selling mine. I'm good. I'm closing this trade down. It's exactly what I wanted to do. Don't be greedy here, folks. It did exactly what we wanted. See ya. Closing the trade down. There you go. All done. That is how you trade. Buy the system, come over to here. Buy the system, come over to here. Buy the system, come over to here. and then buy this. Why? What the fuck? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Am I still live on YouTube? Damn. Take profit again, hit. Nas, take profit again. Take profit 1, 2, and 3, and I believe that's 4 is wow. Nice. Why are we having issues? Look at that go. Thank you, God is right. Thank you, God is right. Thank you, God is right. What the fudgicles? Wow. I don't know if you guys can still see me or not. Larry, are you on TikTok? Can you still see me? Touchdown, touchdown on YouTube. Wow. Perfect trades. Perfect morning. Wow. That is a $73 trade, a $798 trade, and a $2,786 trade. Perfectly traded, perfectly called out. Wow, wow, wow. I'm gonna close down these. Yeah, still look at Nas, still going. Told you. Easiest trade in the world right there. Wow. Someone just gave us money. Thank you for giving us money. Why am I not on? Can't see any comments. Fuck. I might have to go over to my phone YouTube. Look at that. Perfectly called. Sevens and yeses and thank gods to everyone just saw me call this out, trade this out with you, told you what to do exactly. Unfortunately, we didn't get a bigger dip than I wanted, but we did have a 30-second buy stop, which was good enough. Sevens, yeses, thank gods, whatever you want to do. Let me see if I can get into YouTube off my phone here. What the fuck is going on? Safety trade, live trading. Where's my account? Your videos, your clips. What? Why don't I see my own thing? This is crazy. What the fudgicles? All right, let's go over to here. Let's go over to here. Oh, thank God. All right. Well, at least you guys still see me. I can't see any comments. Where the hell's my YouTube at? Hold on. Where's my live? What is this? Playlist, your videos, history. No. Oh my gosh, even my phone's having trouble? That's weird. What on earth is happening? Let me see if I can get something to work around here. Okay, come on now, really? Let me do this. Just perfection. I would close down at least one of your trades and then leave one open. Okay, I'm taking off the internet. Hold on. Let me close down my Wi-Fi. Go back over to here. Go over to here. Go over to here. live.
What I'm going to ask Trade GPT to do. Now I said, Trade GPT, find me a trade to make for the last hour of the day.
Get out of here with your stupid ass shit. All right. Now, where are my comments
Live.
at?
What I'm going to ask Trade GPT to do. Now I said, Trade GPT, find me a trade to make for the last hour of the day.
Get out of here. Okay. YouTube loud and clear. Sally, yes, we hear you. Yes, thank God. Exaggerate amount of profanity. Oh, yeah, we need to take care of her. Hold on. Okay. Thank God, thank God, thank God. YouTube loud and clear. Adam, now I have a question. As the smaller time frames keep dropping for a 30-second buy, do we adjust our entry? Of course you do. That's rule number 7. You keep going down. This should have went below here on the 30. I'm sure it did on the 15-minute. I would have entered off the 15-minute orange. Coach, I hear you in TikTok. Nice. Amos, thank God. Amen. All right. I think I can see all your comments, even though I see nothing over here. Tell me that wasn't perfect. Wow. All right, what time is it? 8:39. Do you guys want me to teach you how I made that call so accurately and exact? What is going on with this internet bullshit? Wow. Let me see. Can I do this? Do you guys want me to? What's up, peeps? Do you want me to sevens if you guys want me to go ahead and teach you how I just did that trade and how I was so sure that it was going to that 30-minute blue line? Yes. There I am. Ha. All I care about is my hat right here. I got my backdrop working better, I guess. I don't know. Do. Something's wrong. There's very little profanity, says Ken. You weren't around, Ken. Fuck, there was. Kirk Brown, Richard Tuck, crash. Okay. Sure. So how I was able to make this trade and call it out, trade it out live with you, told you that it was going to go to this blue line on the 30-minute. Let me take my ugly ass off the screen. Maybe this way. Yeah, there we go. All right. Now, this is what you guys have to understand. That when we trade, if my computer will move, look, we're going to do this. I'm going to show you this so easy. I use all 3 indices at the same time. Why is this not going on? What is blacking out? Wow. What the fudgicle is going on with my internet this morning? Okay, that's even weirder. It's working on the first one. But look, it's not pulling in the second. What the fuck? Yeah, that's weird. All right, well, I'll just use this one if it's still working. Who the hell knows? I don't know. All right. So look. Okay, baby. Let me get this out. Okay. Now let's go back to here. Oopsie. Shit. Oh man. How did I screw up YouTube? Fuck. This way? Yes. Okay. 1 second blue line NAS hit again. Yeah, we're good. You can start playing those Martar. Thank you for following that. You can just kind of let that one go. All right, this is what I got, as long as it's moving around. We have NAS 30-minute right here. When I called it, it was down there somewhere like 30, about an hour ago, maybe 2 of these bars ago, right? Well, when we look at that time, let's go ahead and take the time for it right here. Let me see right there. Probably, was it this bar or this bar? How long have I been on for? I've been on for 51 minutes. So this is 30, this is 60. So somewhere on this bar or this bar. Let's just tag this one. So at this time right here, at 13:30, we'll say, let's take a look at things and see. I think it was a little bit after that, but the point doesn't matter. Watch. Why is it not putting down the, what the fuck? Oh. I have 3 internets at the house, 3 of them. And of course, 3 internets, and I can't get one of them to do right. Am I placing this in the wrong thing? You can place the line anywhere on TradingView, can you not? What the fuck? Ah. Well, anywho, at 13:30, NAS was below its blue line. Since we trade all 3 at once, I go over to SPX. Oh boy, maybe. Oh no, this is not good. How am I supposed to train you guys when I can't fucking have a computer that runs? Wow. Give me just 1 second. Hold on 1 second, peeps. End stream. Okay, we should be back. I'm using my phone's internet for the internet because the other 2 fucking internets I have won't work. Wow. Paying like 2, I'm gonna get that, I'm gonna get the Elon Musk one. Alright. Hopefully you guys can see this now. Hopefully we're back. on my phone internet. Man, the cable company should be ashamed of itself. Yep, we're back. All right. Now, comments are back or no? What's up, positive relationships? Good morning, FYI, rebooting. Yeah, I'm not rebooting my computer. It takes me about an hour to get everything set back up. That shit ain't happening. Nice. But thank you for the suggestion. You're back, the Super Z. Thank you, Super Z. What's up, Kim Bernard? Good morning, Kim. Good morning, Kim. Sorry I missed you. Good morning, Kim. Good morning, Solace Soul, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Michelle Glowinski, Joe Biga. I apologize if I miss anybody coming in. Oh, geez. Okay, at this point, we just have to block her. Okay. Now, I think everybody's here. What's up, Banner Video? Good morning, Anthony Villabose. What's up, Tony? Having to use my thing. All right, let's go over to this one now. Maybe it's working. Who knows? All right. So no, it is not. Let me refresh this. Yeah, reload. We just made a 30-minute buy to the NAS 30-minute blue line. It was the perfect, easiest call you could possibly make. I'm going to teach you how I was able to make that call very quickly. Let's see. On the right, we're going to have 30-minute NAS. On the left, I'm going to show you US 30 went the same time period. So let's go back. And we're looking at approximately, it was around 1330 is when it happened. There we go. Now, yeah, somewhere around there. Now, we trade NAS, US 30, and SPX as one symbol. Everybody understand that? Yes or no? We trade US 30, NAS, and SPX as one symbol. All three are one. Clear? Yes or no? You have to understand that basic concept. Now look, US 30 at approximate time was above its 30-minute blue line when NAS was below its 30-minute blue line. What's up, Big? Good morning, Big. Morning, Crash. Morning, Banner Video again. Okay. Good morning, 69Z28. Good morning, Richard Tuck and Ken Louder again. Good morning, Lachey. All right, so now you can clearly see. Look, you can clearly see at the same time US 30 was above its blue line. Well, let's take a look at SPX, shall we? And SPX at this exact same time was also above it. You see? NAS is below SPX. I need to get another chart open, don't I? But I had to screw up the whole layout. SPX, US 30 were above their blue line. NAS was below it. That's all there was to that call. That's why I was so confident with it. That's why I had opened up whatever that was, 3 or 4 trades. Very easy trade. Everybody understand that? 7s for yes, you understand. We trade all 3 indices, NAS, SPX, US 30 is 1. 2 out of the 3 were above it. The one underneath it was NAS. I called the NAS on the 30-second buy. Actually, one of our other members said the 30-second buy. I think it was Bob Uten. Thank you, Bob. And I took the trade. And I told you guys about it, and that's how we did it. Does that make sense? Barani says sevens. GeoSal says sevens. Sharik says, good morning, Sharik. Says sevens. Little Joe says sevens. George Hyde, good morning, George, says sevens. Richard Tuck says sevens. There you go. And that's how we're able to make that call. Now we're going to get really blessed, and we're going to see NAS drop down, right, to this 5 second. We're going to see NAS drop back down to this orange line before open here over the next, geez, I don't know if we can get that far. But if it will go down that far, where I'm going to jump in with 10 feet, I'll do like 5 or 6 trades, maybe 8 or 10 trades. Oops, let me go back 30-minute over here. So that's all there was to the trade. Then we came down here. We went to the 30-second time frame because Bob was smart enough to check there. And when he went there, you can clearly see there was a buy stop over and over and over again. Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. And then pop. And now there's another one. 30-second buy stop, NAS. Back to the 30-minute blue line, NAS. Love the trade. And of course, US 30 and SPX also go up at the same time, but we were focusing on the NAS. Annie Leland, good. Jose, what's up, Jose? Jose, what's up, Persistent? And Tony? And D-Man, what's up, D-Man? So that's why we're able to call out that trade so easily and so effectively for you guys. Now, this is NAS. See the 30-second dropping? Yay. Let's see if we're going to the 5-second. We don't play these sell stops. Sell stop to the 5-second, but it's going to go down below. You're going to see this change over to the red here in about maybe 10 seconds. We don't play these. We want these to keep dropping down lower and lower and lower. Why? Because we get a better buy for when it goes back up to the 30-minute blue line. That's why. Come on, baby. Let's go. Come on. There we go. Come on. Shoot, I don't know if we're going to get a big enough push right here. We'll see. Because it's got to reboot now. The pink has to come back up. Purple has to come back up. Price action has to come back up. I wish it just go below for a split second, please. Just for a split second. Just go below for me to get off that thing. Right there. Come on. Just go below. There you go. There it is. See the red line? See it turn to red? Now, let's go back up here. 1 minute buy. 1 minute buy stop. Love the trade. Off of here. Love the trade. 1 minute buy NAS. 3 minute buy NAS. Love. You're about to hear a whole bunch of ding, ding, dings going. Take profit 1, wherever the fuck that was. Take profit 2, 20,220. Love it. Take profit 3. Love take profit 3. 20,000, whatever this is. 226. Love this take profit on NAS. Be prepared for this. So you're going to hear a whole bunch of dings like you heard earlier today. Take profit, whatever number this is. This is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Keep following it down. We're in no rush. Take profit, whatever this is. 20,238 NAS. Follow the trade down. Rule number 7. You're always to follow it down. I don't understand people ask questions like that. It drives me bonkers. We know it's in our rules. Follow the effing rules. Sell stop to the 10-second blue line, NAS. Play any sell stop you can find. 1 second, 5 second to the 10-second blue line, NAS. Yeah, baby. Follow it down. Follow it down. It'll get somewhere around here, if not further. And then we'll go ahead and do some buys pretty soon. If you want to wait proper, just go up here. This is your buy stop. Be right off the orange line when this flips and comes back around. This will be your entry. Oops, I can't do that. Hold on. You'll put it right, a little lower than that, but right there on the orange line, that'll be your entry. And then your take profits are already preset. I already told you what they were. 20,235 for now. Just love that trade. Let's pray this thing keeps going down, 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 down for the next 30 minutes. And then right before market open, we're going to put in a shit ton of fucking buys. A whole bunch of them. What's up, Double T? Dubel, Double T. Interesting. Welcome to the channel, by the way. All right, we called out perfectly that 30-minute buy. We're going to do it again before open. If it doesn't go up, I'll just sit there and wait. I don't give two fucks. Let it keep dropping. The more it drops, the more money we make. Ding, 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 ding. Clicking in for anybody yet? Clicking in for anybody yet? Buy stop NAS back to the 30-minute blue line. We're waiting for this dip to occur to flip down a little bit. Yeah, we needed to come down a good bit, actually. I'd prefer this to come way down. I don't know, whatever bullshit news they have at 10, that's probably when it's going to make its move. All right, peeps. Peeps are in the house. The peeps are in the house. Hi ho, the Mario. Let it keep going down. See how it went up and touched that blue line? Tell me the system isn't amazing. Tell me the system isn't freaking the most amazing thing you ever witnessed. Look at that. Right to the blue line. Touched it and went boop back down. It's going to ricochet, hopefully come down below this orange line right here. I don't think we'll have time for that. And then it's going to hook and come back up and go past this blue line. Telling you. Drawing it out, telling you, trading it out with you before it happens. Ding, 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 ding. US 30 will be doing the same thing. SPX will be doing the same thing. We really haven't looked at any other symbols this morning. We didn't have time. But we're making shit tons of money, so I don't think any of you are complaining. How many people are here now? Buy NAS to the 30-minute blue line. It's already done it once. It'll do it again in just a little bit here. Whether it does it now, it'll definitely do it by 10:30 this morning for sure. That's not even an issue. Do 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 do. Now where were we? Good morning, Rich OBX. Thank you, Larry Cooper, for speaking up and saying buy the system. You have a buy stop ricochet back to the blue line, 30-minute NAS. Just be patient. Don't be hyper. Be patient. Do 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 do. Safety trade. Da, 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 da. Anybody have any questions? Anybody have any concerns? Anybody have any training they want? I don't have a lot of time. Anybody have any symbols I can call out real quick for you? Go ahead and ask. Normally, I'm in this shirt. Actually, I have about 5 of these, but I love my tank tops better. And then I'm going to be buying a whole bunch of stuff off my store here to get shipped. And believe it or not, I actually have to buy that shit. NQ is NAS 100 MH. There is no difference. You're welcome, Tank Dog. NQ. Gee, let's take a look at NQ. Do 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 do. So cute how people. It's the exact same charts. There's no difference in them. NQ is NAS 100. NAS 100 is NQ. I'll go one deeper for you. SPX 500 is NQ. SPX 500 is NAS 100. They make no difference. They might slightly change for a minute, which is what you want. Then we jump into. I need to get started with the system. Is this one of the official training sessions? What's up, Pay Dude? I need to get started with system. No, when you buy, come over here, Pay Dude. You come over to the store. I don't know if you bought or not, whatever. You come over here and maybe if my internet's working, there you go. You buy the system every other Monday. Why we didn't do this past Monday? Well, because me and Bree were in paradise in St. Thomas and we're never doing anything when I'm there. When I'm with Bree, forget that shit. Any rate, but you buy the system. I think our next training session is like the 31st. And then that is your official training on Monday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You get a set of rules, though. You can come over to YouTube right here. You can go ahead and go under the best training videos right there if you've already bought the system and rewatch those. Just scrolling along the very. Oh, what do we hear? What do we hear? What do we hear? Oh, looks like NAS is crossing 20,216. Oh, look at that. All my NAS trades are in profit again. Look at that. Take profit, and I'm gonna leave this one open and lock it in for a take profit, no risk. Look at that. As said, it wasn't even paying attention to the trade. There goes NAS again, back up to the 30-minute blue line. As I told you, we need a farther pullback though. Dang on it. There you go. There it goes. Again, told to you live, traded with you live. Hey, Kevin, the micros of the indices pricing is different. Nope, it's not. They'll all do the exact same thing. Whether the price is different doesn't matter. It's the movement you want to do, and the movement's exactly doesn't matter, MH, doesn't matter, persistent. I think you guys are missing the entire here, let's go over here, watch. Oh, listen to it go. Oh, you guys hear that? Can you guys hear that in the background? Can you guys hear that in the background? Damn. Look at that shit go. Here, let's go over here. Let's leave, oh, I don't know. Let's go over to NAS right here. We'll go over to 30-minute. Let's go over to here and let's pull up the NQ for you guys. They are exactly the same. Oh, but they don't move different. They move exactly the same. So we're looking at, let's pull this up. You're looking at, look at each candle, just so we're clear, because I think you guys are just a little confused on things. See, look right here. This is your NAS on the right, NQ on the left. See that candle right there? Look at this one right there. One's green, one's red. You see how it movement was? Do you see that? You see how your wick wicked up? You see the wick up? You see it came down over here? You see it came down over here? They're exactly the same. Oh, they're different prices. I didn't say there weren't fucking different prices. They move exact. Look. Some people, it's kind of funny. See this right here? See this right here? See that right there? Look at the pink line. Look at the pink line. You see the pink line? Look at the purple line on my sniper. Look at the purple line on my sniper. This has a thicker orange right here. Yeah, no, they're exactly the same. And here's something even funnier. Watch this shit. Let's pull up your SPX. There's your SPX, the exact same movement. There it is. There's your wick candled up on SPX. There it is on your NQ. Look at your pink line on both, pink line and purple, pink line and purple. No, they just pretend there's something different. There's nothing different on any of those, just so we're clear. And proof's in the pudding. There it is. It's happening right before your very eyes. Exactly the same thing. When we get the funded trader thing done, I'll be able to explain to you what they do. They're just scammy. That's, oh, by the way, you're in shit tons more money. You're in shit tons more money. It keeps going up as we're speaking right here. Yay. Now, there will be time differences on the lower time frames, the 5-second, 10-second, 15 seconds, but it will always come together on the 30-minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour day. They're always the same. Like if we pulled up dailies right now, you couldn't even tell them apart if I gave you $1 million. Watch. Here's your daily NAS. Don't I have NQ saved somewhere? I hate going back to this shit thing. Hold on. NQ your E-minis. Let me tag this. Don't we have this? I thought I saved this somewhere. NQ1. Oh, this one. Well, they're the same. Doesn't matter. Let me clap this one. Okay. So this is your daily E-minis, which should be, maybe I need to change. Hold on. Let me go back over. I'm going to change this to the blue. Oh, hold on. There we go. Now let's get off of that. Here's NAS daily. And then we'll pull up your, uh-oh. Still going up, still going up. NAS is in more profit. NAS is in even more profit. You can close it down or leave it open. That's your choice. Nice. Here's your NQ. There's NQ. Let me pull this up so we can get it. Here's your NQ. My poor phone's dying trying to keep up with all this. And here's our NAS. Nice. Look at that shit going up. I'm up 2,000. There's NAS. Here's NQ. There is 0, 0, 100% zero differences. The higher the time frame, the less differences you get. There's not. You can't tell. There's no difference on these charts. There's not. It can't be different. They're the exact same fucking thing. There's nothing different on either of these charts. Here, look. Let's go back to the one chart. How much time I have left? Oh, I have time. We can go over this. So on your left is some version of NQ. I don't give a fuck what it is. On your right is NAS. And this is what's gonna. I mean, they just try to confuse everybody. I swear, they're doing this intentionally to fuck around with people. There is literally no difference between these two. You couldn't spot a difference if I paid you $1 million on the daily. There isn't. Nothing is different. Everything is the same. Everything is always the same. It can't be different. Yes, the 5-second, 1 second could be off a little, but they'll always balance. Always balance. See the same movement up, see it come down, see the same movement up, see it cannot. See the red line right here, look. See the red candle over the orange, see the red candle over the orange. It cannot be different. I can't speak any clearer to you than you are dealing with. Oh, this is, oh my God, this is SPX, even worse for you guys. There's SPX, the same thing. I told you. They're all the same. And there it is again. And there is NAS on this one right here. There is NQ right there. Yep, correct. Tony Villabo said, only difference is price on NAS. Yeah, it's the price difference is price difference. SPX is at fucking 5,000 or whatever. It has nothing to do with it, but it's the same exact. Look, there it is. There's your SPX, the exact same pattern as NAS, the exact same pattern as NQ. There's no difference. Good morning, Rocket. Aren't the blue lines on different levels? Oh, the blue price action blue lines? Yes. It doesn't matter. You ever thought about white labeling your system? Yes, George Strait, I have. On BFMF. What? Barani, WD01? I hope that makes sense to you, MH and persistent. What's up, little Joe? Thank you for speaking up, saying bye the system. Thank you, Larry Cooper, for saying bye the system. Good morning, Rich OBX. Now we're done with that one. When am I supposed to look up? How much time do I have left? Oh, we have time. We have time. All right, let's look up. I don't even know if I can read that right. WD, is that a 0? 01 exclamation point. Mini US dollars. Let me put this on blue. Okay. WD01, no, 01, I think it was WD01. Sell, sell, sell. 3 minute, 1 minute, 3 minute, 3 minute buy, 5 minutes. So what's going on right there at that 1 minute? Let me see real quick. Oh, look at that. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh, shoot. Let me get right back to that one. Don't let me forget. Yo, hold on. NAS has got to be moving. Yeah, 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 yeah. Take profit 1 is hit, take profit 2. I'm over here up like $2,600. There you go. Can you guys hear that sound? There you go. 2,600. There's my buy. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. What are you guys doing? Look at that. 1558. Bam. Always let your runners run. You have so much more time to do that. It's fucking fantastic. Take profit 1, well, you can see it's calling it. Take profit 1, it's hit. Take profit 2 is hit. That's the orange line. The yellow was the first line. You should have got in on this orange line. Take profit 3 would be right here. Let me mark that as another entry. Look at all that. Can you guys hear that cha-ching signals? Can you hear the money? This is fucking so much fun. Wow. And I guarantee you, if I go over, let's go down to that WBWBC thing. Look, 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 look. Buy stop. Buy stop NQ1. Take profit 1 is right here. Yeah, all they do is name these symbols and give you different numbers to confuse you. They can't let on that they're all the fucking same, otherwise it'd be too simple. That's why they create all these stupid ass different pricings of 0.00019999236. Who the fuck? They're so full of crap. 20,444 will be the top take profit I'll be looking for on this one. Now let's go down to the other one that was asked about, the WDO. US 30 Kev, US oil coach. All right, hold on one second. This is a sell. Let's see where it's going to. 3-minute. Yeah. Sell stop WDO to the 3-minute blue line. This is great, actually. But I wouldn't play that. I would be sitting back here on my 10-minute buy to the blue line. Take profit 1, 5,752. Take profit 2, 5,760. Take profit 3, 5,770. This is for WDO.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Now let me go over to US oil. US oil and UK oil are the exact same, by the way, just so we're clear on that one too. There is no difference between US oil and UK oil. Let's just go over to here, I guess. I have no idea. Oil, oil, oil. Yes, my system calls it out correctly all the time. Where are we looking at for oil though? Buy, buy, buy on a 10-minute. Where's it going to? 30-minute, 1 hour, maybe 1 hour. I haven't looked at it. Yeah, it's going to clear this 1 hour. Buy stop to the 1 hour blue line. That's as easy as you. That's a gimme. That's a layup right there. Take profit 1 for oil, 6,988. Take profit 2 for oil, 7,000. Take profit 3, 7,020. Take profit 4, 7,050. That's US oil.
Demo trade only.
US 30, Kev.
Financial
All right.
advisor.
Thank you, Larry. That should be a good trade for you. US 30. Let's take a look at US 30. US 30 is going up to its 1 hour blue line as called out this morning. US 30 to the 1 hour blue line. SPX to its 1 hour blue line. NAS back to its 30-minute blue line. We're looking at a 1 second sell. Good. Maybe we can get a nice pullback. Oh, that doesn't look good. It looks like a buy right there. Yeah, we can't call. I can't say. We need a pullback on US 30 before I can call a buy on that. That's, it needs to come down, hopefully hard. Okay. Let's go over to here. Let's see if NAS is getting a little pullback. Not really, no. Yeah, we just have to be patient. Let all the indices pull back before open. I'll ride them again. I swear to God, I'll make even more money. Did that help you? I don't know if that helped anyone. Good morning to everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Oh, we're up over 100 people combined. Great. Welcome, everybody. Let's go ahead and say a little prayer. I love our prayers. Let me go back here and here. Father, I pray in Jesus' name that you heal each and every one of us that are listening, especially heal Keith, myself, and Bree, and every one of my listeners and people that will be listening to this podcast. Heal us physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and in every way we need to be healed so that we have a healthy, happy, and loving relationship with each other, with our loved ones, with our spouses, especially. And we thank you so much for helping heal us. I ask your blessing upon each and every one of the listeners also so that their ears are open, heart and souls are open, whatever needs to be open to them so they can learn to trade to consistently make profits. Please let me have the wisdom and knowledge to help everyone make demo money. And please let them do really, really good with their money when they start earning it so they can help out humanity. We're all humans after all, God. Please help us to make money so we can help others while we're here. Please forgive us of all of our sins and take us to heaven in spite of them. In Jesus' name, I pray these things. Amen. All right. Good morning, Dwayne. Good morning, Don't Cast Stones. Good morning, Azar. All right. All right. All right. All right. We've been making money all morning long on NAS. It just keeps printing and printing and printing and printing and printing. It's going right back up to that 30-minute blue line. It already did it. There you go. I hear you. NQ. Let's look at NQ. Gee, guys, is NQ doing what I said? According to my cha-chings, you guys hear those cha-chings? Yeah, baby. Take profit one hit. NQ. Who wanted NQ? Who asked about NQ? Now you guys speak up and tell me it's not doing the same thing as NAS. The same fucking thing. Martar, no, who was it? What's up, Nelson Ponce? Good morning, Nelson. Where is it? Where is it? Where someone was asking about that. You guys got to understand they're the exact same thing. Look at it go up. Who, by the way, everyone say thank God, everyone give a 7, or everyone say yes, because I called this out, told you where it was going, drew it out, told you, trade it out on NAS. This is your buy on NQ1 for all you little E-mini people with zero drawdown. You'd have got in here at the orange line, like I told you. Take profit 1 is at the yellow. Take profit 2 will be at the, not this orange. Take profit 3 will be at the top here. 10 minutes to market open. I want to see a ton of 7s, a ton of yeses, and a ton of thank gods. Otherwise, I'm not trading through open. I'm leaving right now. Let me be clear. I better see a ton of thank you gods, a ton of yeses, or a ton of 7s, or I'm leaving. Am I clear? Yeah, baby. Because this isn't just for fun. This is to give thanks and glory to God. I'm teaching you funded traders how to trade. I'm teaching you that NAS, US 30, and SPX always move together. I'm teaching you that if US 30, NAS, and SPX had already moved up and your NQ1 hadn't, that it was going to go the fuck up. This is a 1 minute buy stop. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy to the yellow line, to the orange line, and then back to here. Can I be any clearer with the words I'm speaking? Thank you, Michelle Big 69 Rocket, for speaking up. Yeah, you guys can sit back and steal all the stuff you want to steal. But every day, if you can't give thanks to God for what you're doing, then why are we here? All I can tell you. Boom, baby. You see it going up before your very eyes every day. Who trades this with you? Every day. I haven't missed a week in over 3 years. I've been on at least one time every week, and even when I was in St. Thomas, I did it. There it goes. You'd have got in on the orange line on NQ. Listen to me when I teach you this shit. Why does everyone argue with me with this? You'd have got in on the orange line, right? You'd have immediately made profit. I could go back. You want me to trade this with you? Let me go back and trade. Do I have time? Fuck yeah, let's do it. I'm going to show you how you guys can do. That's why I put in my write up now, helping funded traders. This is a funded fucking trade. This is a bar replay. We're going to go back to right before it flipped up. Right over here. Oh, are we losing TikTok? Hold on. I have to do this stupid thing. There you go. All right. All right. Buy stop NAS again. Take any buy stop you can find. Now, this is what you're looking at. All you have to know is this. This is how easy this shit is. You guys complicate everything in this world. This is for you funded traders. We're on your little funded trader NQ1. It doesn't fucking matter. They're all the same. But look, We went back like 30 minutes or some shit. I don't know where we're at. Just back a little bit. See my sniper, the most important indicator in history of the world. The pink line will cross this. You'll see this turn back to green. You're going to enter in off this orange line. So let's go ahead and see if I can do this without getting caught. I need to do it when it hits it. There, close enough. I'm going to do my buy. We're not going to do a 1. We're going to do 1,000. We don't give a care about the quantity. I want to see what happens. So technically, this is where we're kind of caught in a mix right here. We have to let it hit the orange line, but on this playback, it can go over the orange line and I'm going to be late. So I'm going to wait right here. Your entry is right here on this orange line. That is your entry, okay? It's called a buy stop. I can't do a buy stop on this, but this is your entry, okay? This is a buy stop. Take profit 1 is going to be this yellow line right here. Take profit 2 is going to be right below this orange line, and take profit 3 will be right here. This is what you're looking at. Your stop loss will be after we engage the trade. Okay, so we're going to go forward. You're immediately up. You're immediately up. There is no drawdown. See what I mean? Once it crossed that orange line, there's zero fucking drawdown. Yeah, I'm still developing rockets. It's been delayed. Good morning, Kirk Brown. 7s, if you all understand what I just showed you. I went back in time on your silly little NQ1, right? This is a 1-minute trade. You enter off the orange line. As soon as it crossed it, you made fucking money with zero drawdown. As soon as it crossed it, you made fucking money. As soon as it crossed the orange line, you made money. Am I clear? There was no draw fucking down. Zero. Look, you could be done with the fucking trade. Yeah, I'm coming with it. Don't worry. It's just been delayed. We've had some issues getting Breeze CRM done from Keith. Dude, if you don't have the buy, you need to buy. Yeah. Dude is the one guy, by the way. Little Joe, put a 6. Little Joe. What's up, Miami Rocks? So now all you do, you can take profit and get the fuck out of the trade, or all you do is just wait. You can re-enter again, by the way. Look, in profit. See if I can get this out of there. See, look, now you're almost to your take profit 1 right here. Look, I would take profit 1 right there. Look, it's hitting it. Look, you're past it. Take profit 1 is hit. You're done with the trade. Zero drawdown, 100% win. And we haven't even really engaged the trade. The pink line crossed the blue. Everyone needs this thing. If you're ever doing funded trader, the sniper is coming with it because you can't trade funded trading without the sniper. It's going to be part of the core program. It will be. Green, 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 red, green, green. You enter off your orange line, zero drawdown, take profit 1 hit. What the fuck more do you guys want? I'm so confused on how this all works out for everybody. It's like, well, I don't know, maybe. Oh, I don't know. Maybe. It's so weird. Buy stop again. You can see the turn back to green right here. That would have been your entry 2. You would have exited. See, take profit 2 would have been hit right there. So take profit 1, take profit 2 hit. You're done trading. You're done fucking trading. I'm so confused. That's it. You're done. 100% win rate. No losses. And that's all you have to do. That's it. Oh, shit. 3 minutes market open. Fuck. Okay, I got to get off the teaching, Mark. Hold on. Hold your horses. Let me go over to this one so I can watch 2 at once. Let me go over to Naz over here. Let's go down to here. Let's go back to 1 minute maybe. What's Naz doing? Naz, buy stop, 30-second. Naz, buy stop, 30-second. Just be patient. If it goes down or up, just be patient. You don't have to be in a rush. Naz, buy. Let it go down further. It's at the 1 second. I don't know if we're going to get that pullback. Someone said we already had it, so I guess we're good. This is a 30-second buy on NAS. Let me go over here. Let me pull up US 30. We haven't played US 30 in a while. Let's see if we can get US 30 to do something fun. US 30. Nope, 1 minute buy. Yeah, US 30 is a much better buy. It's pulled back more. Yeah, 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 yeah. This is perfect. US 30, buy stop. Follow it on the way down. Follow this on the way down. This is fantastic. We love US 30 when it dips. Just take your time. US 30, buy, baby. Okay. And just be patient with it. Let it follow it down. See, we're down to the 1 second, 5 second. Let's see if US 30 is going down to the 10 second. Sell to the towards the 10 second blue line, US 30. I wouldn't take the trade because we're only trading the buys. Oh, look at NAS. Look at NAS. Let's see if we can get NAS to 10 second. Yeah. NAS sell stop to the 10 second blue line. US 30 sell stop to the 10 second blue line. US 30 is probably going to win. I don't know if it's going to win the race. Look. Oh, this is SPX. This is SPX. Let me go over to NAS. Shit. Hell, the SPX might win. Market open in a minute. Please don't play market open unless you have big ones. No. Lock in all profits. Do not trade market open. Lock in profits. Just wait for the trade to come to you. You don't need to do anything else. There you go. Nice. Nice. This is a beautiful pullback. Be ready right here for the buys. Set yourself up for the buys. Set yourself up for the buys. Be ready for the buys at open. Market open in less than a minute. Or the OT brokers to trade the normal indices. I'm forced to trade micros, minis. Here you allow. Okay, persistent, no problems. Just wait right here. To the 10 second blue line, all three indices. To the 930, market open, market open. To the 10 second blue line, sell stops. I'm looking for US 30 to buy. Take US 30 buy. Take the US 30 buy. You have time for the NAS buy. US 30 is in the money. US 30 buy is in the money. You can take that money out. You can take that money out of US 30. You don't need to keep it open. Feel free. You're in the money. Make sure you're ready for your NAS buy. You're in the money on your US 30 buy. Make sure you're in the money, ready for your NAS buy. Make sure you're in the money. You're in the money. Your US 30, you can close your US 30 trade. You can. Good morning, Goriliano. You're in the money on your US 30 trade. You're in the money on all NAS buys. You're in the money on US 30. 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 You can close down your US 30 trade if you like. You can close down your US 30 trade if you like. You're in shit tons of money on US 30. Yeah, you still have time for NAS and SPX to do your buys. You still have time for NAS and SPX to do buys. You still have time. Look at NAS go up. Look at US 30. You can close down those trades if you desire. Feel free. You don't have to stay in those trades any longer than you want. Beautiful buy. Look at NAS go up. Look at NAS go up. You're in the money on NAS. 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 You can close those trades down if you like. You can close down your NAS buys if you like. Look at the money on NAS. This is yay. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful trades. Beautiful trades. Take your money and run. There's no need to stay in those trades. I only have one NAS trade still open. That's it. And then I'll lock in profit. And that's it for the day. Yay. And that's how you do an open. Wow, that was quite anticlimactic. Let's see. Here you go. Come over to my website, thesafetytrade.com, buy the system. You're going to get trained Monday, the 31st, I think it is coming up. The very next Monday, if you buy, it'll be within the week. Monday at 1 p.m. is training. The Monday at 1 p.m. is a small group training. There'll be maybe 10, 15, 20 people in the class. No big deal. It'll be very VIP where you guys get a lot of love, a lot of attention. Okay, buy again. Don't forget, there's a buy on NAS. There's a buy on SPX. There's a buy on US 30. US 30 is in the money again. US 30's in the money again. It's bouncing again. Yeah, I'm done. Any questions before I go? Thank you guys on TikTok. That was fun. That was about 2 hours, hour and 41 minutes. I'm going to end the live. God bless you on TikTok. I'll be live later today, though, Lord willing. Let me mute that one. All right. This was fun. What a fun morning. All right. God bless y'all. Everyone, I'll be back on later today. That was a blast. 60 on YouTube. Safety Trade 1, the safetytrade.com 7, the Safety Trade X 6. Oh, I didn't even know we can see that. Love your genius. Thank you. Thank you, Kim. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Banner Video. Thank you, 69. Thank you, Gorilla. Thank you, Positive Relationships. Thank you, Kim. Thank you, Sally. Thank you all. God bless you all. I'm going to stop sharing. Doop. That's me right there. See y'all. God bless. Don't forget, life is short. Enjoy yourselves while you're here.